And I'm back. I know I've been gone for a little minute. You know, life be lifing. But here I go with some fresh content, some fresh cleaner videos. We got the Slingshot 2021, cleaning it up. Just got back from a rental. It rented out on Turo for about 4 days. Came back a little dirty, but we always clean them up, sanitize them, get them real fresh for the next guest to go out. We're going to have some do's and don'ts. So y'all stay tuned just for that there, because there's some things you don't want to do when you're washing these things, and there's some things that you do want to do. So y'all just stay tuned, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And again, I'm back, so let's get rid of some dirt. this. See this right here? Drive, neutral, reverse. That little thing right there costs $400 when it get wet. Do not wet inside the vehicle. Do not.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so grand? Why is yours so much better than mine? I gotta wait in line for you to feel me. I got to hold my time for your healing. I got to take a back seat, are you kidding? I got to grab my chance cause it's fleeting. Cause this just feels like yesterday. This just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday. Oh, this just feels like yesterday. Hey!
And there we have it. It's like water, glass, candy, wet. And you got a few do's and don'ts in there. Y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm back. Y'all know what we gonna do. Keep getting rid of dirt.